Hey guys, it's your makeup artist friend Katsketch. As you can see, it looks like we're naked, but we're not. We have clothes on because we're gonna do a body painting of the Ghoul Trooper from Fortnite. If you don't know what Fortnite is, if you haven't heard of it, it's popular all over the world. It's an online game. And this is one of the characters you could play, which is the Ghoul Trooper. If you have seen this Ghoul Trooper, it looks like a pop art zombie design. Well, it seems like it was almost taken from Samantha on YouTube, Samantha Ravndal. Ravndal? Am I saying her name correctly? Anyways, I stan her. I love her channel, and I just don't want to see people taking stuff from. I hope they're cutting her a check is what I'm saying. Because what? This looks exactly the same. Did they get the idea from her? So I just want to talk about that before turning into this Ghoul Trooper. But let's get started today, shall we? First of all, I'm going to put a wig cap on because we're going to put a wig on later, getting all the hair out of the way because we're going to be blue and we're going to need that hair not to be blue, and my hair's going to be a different color. Then I'm getting a eyeliner pencil to do all the outlines of the brows where they're going to start because they're a little more farther in than mine, and the outlines around my face of the scarecrow looking nose and definitely that zombie-like little mouth part. This character has like a pop art design of like explosions of teeth and lips, and then there's this sagging part on this part of the eye. And then I am going to, yes, outline the vest and the outfit. You could definitely get a vest, but I just didn't want to be blue and buy a vest because that sounds lame. So I'm being extra today and body painting the vest. Then I got this Makeup Forever Flash palette. This is such a bougie makeup palette that I remember saving all my coin when I worked at an office job for years to buy. And I recently got a new one from Makeup Forever, so I'm like, let's just use this one up because this color is exactly what I need for this makeup. And they're so easy to use, but they're so ridiculously overpriced, to be honest with you. And I'm going to set that with powder before moving on to the rest of the makeup. As you can see, I'm using a brush at first to get around all those nooks and crannies and crevices of this Ghoul Trooper character, around the lips and those other designs we did of the sagging eye and everything. Before, once you get all those designs all in, we're gonna switch on over from the brush to our fingertips because it just blends the makeup so nicely into the skin. It like warms it up and like makes it like paste onto your face and it attaches to your skin, because brushes can tend to leave streak marks. You have to be very patient with them, which I just want to put it on my face and become this beautiful blue color that reminds me a cross between Sally. I guess it's not as blue as the genie from Aladdin. Can't wait for that to come out, but it reminds me of Sally, this color, a little bit from Nightmare Before Christmas. I wonder if they got inspiration from her, but it seems like they took this idea from Samantha. Putting it on my ears, like you can see, and my neck down to where the vest is gonna start. Don't go too far down, just to where that vest is gonna hit. Then I'm gonna put some more powder to make sure areas don't crease. I just don't like the creasing. We're gonna start painting our arm. Yes, and leave a little part where the pink part is gonna go. This character has some pink parts that look like someone chewed up wad up bubblegum and stuck it on around their eye and their arm and stuff, which is weird. I am not a fan of pop art zombies, to be honest with you. It's not my favorite style. This and those zipper face makeups are my least favorite styles of makeup, but I wanted to do this makeup because I want to stand for someone who I feel like they took design ideas from, just because, you know, she is a YouTuber and an Instagrammer. She's amazing. Samantha, the original Ghoul Trooper. Getting some matte black eyeshadow and doing some contouring around my nose. Then I got this blue cream paint. Put that on my eyebrows. You could do whatever design of eyebrows. You can have your eyebrows look like the golden arches, or you can have them look like they're birds about to fly away from your face. Just put those on your eyebrows. You can see I didn't put makeup there before because I'm putting makeup there now with this blue. Once you have your eyebrows all situated in the right shape on your face, it's time to put that blue on your nose. It looks like they hacked her nose off and blue goo is coming out. It also reminds me of a scarecrow. Got some pink cream paint. At first, it's too hot pink magenta, so I got some bubblegum pink. You know how I said parts of this looks like they stuck bubblegum there? This is what I meant. It's this bright pink. Got some white and pink, or white and red. Just blend that together to get this, or you can use lipstick. Putting that around your eye, in the slit on the side of your face, and there's this bag under your eye full of pink. So much pink and bright colors. I liked the colors in this makeup. That's also why I wanted to do this and put it on my arm. Now, once all the pink is there, It's time to set it lightly with some translucent powder. Use some RCMA powder if you could splurge for it, because baby powder on colored makeup like this, I feel like might transfer so much that it'll turn the makeup white casted. Got a bright neon green aqua paint from Graftobian. Oh, if I had some Suva liners, that would be great for this too. I don't know who carries bright green lipstick, but you could use that. Got some white aqua paint, or you could use white cream paint to fill in these teeth. Each individual tooth with a brush. Putting that white eyeliner pencil, I almost missed it in my waterline. Then with some black aqua paint and a very thin detail brush, I am outlining everything, putting some marks on my forehead. You really want to look at reference pictures of this character to do this. This is what's going to give it that cartoon pop art look and style. Make it look like a comic book character come to life. All around, all the details, even the eyeliner. This makes my eyeliner so much easier to do. I should do black liner with aqua paint, see how that works. Might not stay, but it's so much easier. Putting some bottom lash line as well, and some bottom lashes with that too. Got some brown aqua paint that looks like chocolate or poo, and smearing that on my chest, as weird as that sounds, to make that vest. Honestly, buy a vest if you don't want to do this because it's extra work. Then once the vest color is on and dry, you can get some matte brown eyeshadow with a big powder puff to blend that in, or and then get some matte black eyeshadow like I am here to do the details and shadows of this vest. You know, there's little buckles, little collars, stuff like that. Then we're gonna get some silver paint with a pencil brush and do some circles of a dog tag like necklace, and then put a line through it with the same silver paint to do some detail of it. Then with some matte black eyeshadow, I am just shadowing in and shading in around my eyes to make it more detailed and look like that character. And we're not only gonna put that matte black eyeshadow there, but we're also gonna use it as a light contour on the side of our face and on our chin as well, to really chisel out the chin and cheekbones. Then I got this wig that I used for my Michael Langdon makeup transformation here on YouTube. I'm just trying to style it like the character. It's like a pony with a lot of big bangs. And once that's on, we are also gonna get some sunglasses to finish the look. And with that, we're completely done turning into this gold trooper from Fortnite. Make sure to check out the girl, Samantha, too. I just want to shout out to the original person who did this, and the colors of it is so cool. And now it's time for me to turn back on myself. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave me a comment down below. What's your favorite video game? I remember growing up, mine was definitely Donkey Kong, Kirby, and Zelda. Maybe you could have a top 3. It's hard to pick one. Leave me a comment down below on what you would love to see on my channel, because maybe it will make an appearance in a video and I could screenshot it. If you guys do this makeup or any makeup on my YouTube channel, please post it on Instagram and #katsketch. I'd love to see it. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I can't wait to post more videos for you all. There's more to come. All the products I use in this video will be listed down below in the description box as always. Thank you so much for sticking around, and I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!